Hi there, Internet fans. It's Ryan Perry with Simple Biz Support, and I've been getting a few questions about how to embed video into your website. Now, I'm going to speak specifically about WordPress because that's what I use as my platform for my blogs. So as you can see, here is a blog. There is video along with the text, and one of the reasons why I really enjoy or why I like to embed video into my blog is it gives you an idea of who I am as a person. And if you're a business owner, one of the best things that you can do is connect with potential new clients. And I feel that by having the video embedded into the blog, specifically having my image also showing up in the video, is very beneficial in getting out who I am. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing we need is a video. So you'll want to upload a video to YouTube. Highly recommend YouTube simply because it is the second largest search engine behind Google. That and Google owns YouTube. So having your videos on YouTube is also a good tool from an SEO point of view. So let's go ahead and click a video. And what happens is down towards the bottom middle or so, you have a couple options. The About is the default. Share is the next one. This is actually going to be a link if you wanted to share this on, let's say, Twitter, Facebook, other type of social media. You want to send an email. But what we want to do is actually embed the video into the blog. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the embed link here. Now there's two things you want to be aware of. One, you can change the size of the video. Me personally, I stick with the smallest option here, which is 560 by 315, simply because it fits well into my blog. If you want to go a little bit larger, you can do that. You can also do a custom size, and what's nice about it, let's say I want a 150, YouTube will automatically adjust the proportion of the video based on the initial number that you put in. So if you have a specific size that you need to use, go ahead and choose this custom size. Otherwise, click the default. The other thing you may or may not want to have is at the end of the video, do you want to have other recommended videos? That's what this button here is. It says show suggested videos when the video finishes. If you don't want any other videos to pop up, then unclick this. If you would like to share other videos that YouTube is randomly going to grab, then go ahead and click on that button. And basically what it's doing is it's changing a little bit of code in here. Once you have everything set up the way you like it, go ahead and copy this. And then what we'll need to do is go into your blog. And let's go into a post. And let's go ahead and edit, let's go ahead and edit this one. No, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and edit this blog here. So this is a blog that right now only has text. There's no images, it's just strictly text. And let's do a preview of the blog. And you'll see that it's really not terribly appealing, it's just words. And let's go ahead and add a video to this. So what we're going to do is embed the code. Now, the one thing you have to be careful of is if you just go and embed the code, it may not work the way you want it to. So let's go ahead and preview. Just waiting for this to load, and voila, look, there's no video. It's actually just code. And so what happened here? Well, the problem is in WordPress you have two types of editors when you're creating a blog. You have the visual editor and you have the HTML. Visual is your WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. So if you put code in here, you're simply going to get code on the other side as text only, not the actual code that you want. What you'll want to do is go into the HTML editor, and you can see that there's some HTML code in here. And don't worry, you don't need to worry about coding anything. All I'm going to do is paste that video in here. The other thing I always like to do is I put a little space in here. That way my text is not right up against the video. If we go back to the visual editor, you'll see that there's a placeholder where the video is, and then my text is below. Let's go ahead and preview. Waiting for this to load. And voila, there is the video, and we can start playing the video within your blog. So that's how you install or embed, I should say, video in your WordPress platform. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them below. Hope you're having a great day.